Welcome everybody! In this video we show how you can deploy a MonetDB instance on AWS and create your first database. First, go to MonetDB's product page on the AWS Marketplace. Click on Continue to subscribe, then Continue to configuration. Once here, you can start the configuration of your virtual machine. Let's select the latest MonetDB version and the region near our location to reduce the latency when connecting to the VM. Then click on Continue to launch. We can either continue the configuration and launch from this website or through EC2. The EC2 interface has more detailed configuration options, which are not needed for our demo. So let's continue on this website. Now select the instance type for your VM. By default, we recommend a 4x large instance because it gives you good performance for a wide range of query workloads. Create a new security group based on seller settings. This setting allows SSH connections to the VM from any IP address. However, if needed, you can limit access to specific IP addresses. Finally, we create a new key pair to connect to the VM. This step is optional. Alternatively, you can choose one of your existing keys. Refresh and select our new key. Finally, click on Launch to create and start the virtual machine. Click on the EC2 console link. In the EC2 console, we can view all information about our VM and change its configurations if needed. The VM is ready for use. Let's connect to it. Open the terminal and use the chmod command to correct the permission of the previously downloaded key. Remember to specify the path to the key. Here I'm already in the directory where my key is stored. After that, use the SSH command and the public DNS provider to connect to the VM. Now we are in the MonetDB VM. A MonetDB daemon is already running with a DB farm, so we can start with creating a new database. You can check the MonetDB website for the AWS guide on creating a new database and executing your first query. First, create a database. Then release the database from the maintenance mode. Finally, connect to the database with mclient and default password MonetDB. Once logged in, we can run our first SQL query. To shut down the mclient, just type \q. And to disconnect from the VM, type exit. Finally, remember to stop the VM on the EC2 console, especially if you have a pay-per-use subscription. That's it. Thank you for your attention and I'll see you at the next video.